Well, you've received your home inspection report, so what do you do now?
Here at Chattanooga Home Inspector, our job is to create the most value to our customers and make homeownership as easy as possible. We now offer to all of our customers an app called HomeBinder. You'll be getting an email from them within 24 hours. It'll include the login info for your HomeBinder app. It's a home maintenance software that makes homeownership so much easier. Inside your binder, you're going to see things like tracking appliances, warranties, recalls, even paint colors, floor samples, projects, you name it, all that and more.
With your home binder, it's going to send you links to scheduled maintenance reminders like cleaning the gutters, cleaning or changing your air filter, as well as cleaning your dryer vent, things like that, as well as how-to videos. And if you don't want to do the work yourself, you're going to have a whole trusted resources list of people that can do that for you.
Your home binder is going to be yours and yours alone, offered to you exclusively from Chattanooga Home Inspector. We hope to continue to provide the most value to our customers. Thank you and welcome to homeownership.